biggest heroine right now para dito sa team ng Lady Falcons, Nini Bautista, the reigning MVP. Well, Nini, galing ka ng beach volleyball competition, nauwi mo lang galing sa Indonesia. Itong team ng Lady Falcons, kagagaling lamang sa Dumaguete, no practice together, pero nakuha niyo ang panalo. What are your thoughts on this?
Ano po, nagpa-condition po ako, tapos medyo konting adjustment po sa kanila.
Konting adjustment, pero siya pa nilang top player. Reigning MVP, defending champions ng Adamson Lady Falcons. Is there any pressure on your shoulders to put the Lady Falcons to back-to-back titles? At isa pang MVP award kaya ang makuha ni Nini Bautista?
Wala naman po, bali, communicate lang po sa mga kalawa.
Very simple answer. For an unassuming person, was an extremely good athlete. And to wrap this baby up, we hand you over to Anne. And of course, bago natin gawin yan, dahil sa ganda ng laro mo, meron kang magandang gift galing dito sa Shaky. Any messages for your fans and your followers?
Salamat po sa fans ng Falcon, Adamson, saka hi po sa nanay ko, tatay ko, belated happy birthday sa ate ko, kay Bonbon, tapos kay baby Kokey, tapos Lola, saka tita ko.
Ayan na po, lahat na po, binati ni Nini Bautista. Back to you, Doc Ian, and of course, Miss Andre Mulia.
All right, thank you, Coach Ronnie. And of course, we have our game Friday.